and then Sapa yesterday Christmas, and then Christmas tree, and then socks, Christmas socks, and then
Christmas socks?
oh.
Wow.
And
Ano pa?
hindi Christmas socks ang diba?
Mhm.
And then Christmas socks I drawing. Give it a test and then the drawing, then cut it like a socks. Then pajamas and then put
Pajamas?
Then a paper of a paper. And then test and then
Tapos,
and then candy Christmas. Ay, dinagan.
saan na siya ngayon? Drawing mo?
Like this.
Where's your drawing ngayon?
Oh, ano tayo? Si teacher.
Sa school?
Oo.
Kinuha ni teacher?
Oo.
Kinuha? Oh no, bakit kinuha?
It's still his classroom.
Ah,
His classroom.
doon sa classroom mo, idikit.
Oo.
Okay, so nice.
And-
Nice ang drawing mo.
Oo.
Pinicturean mo.
Hindi.
Tingnan ko.
Ay, nafiya yung cellphone.
Magdala ka cellphone.
No, teacher quiet.
Yun na yung isang phone, dalhin mo yun. Lagay mo sa bag mo.
Kay teacher.
Tapos pagdating mo sa bag, Teacher Risa, I have a phone.
Hell no.
Bawal yan.
Oo.
Magagalit teacher pag magdala phone.
Kay si guard doon, no?
Guard?
Oo.
Oh my
Hindi
God.
na prison.
Chinecheck ni guard yung bag mo?
Hindi.
Hindi, oh.
And
Pwede yun.
then yesterday, and then in 2025, then check it, and then check, and then bag,
Mhm.
and then why my classmate is too fast classroom?
Mhm.
It's too fast. It's faster my classmate.
Mhm.
It's faster is sleeping than 1 a.m.
Mhm.
Abago
Pwede ka
na.
magdala ng phone, ilagay mo lang sa bag, tapos
Hell no, teacher recording that.
pag wala si Teacher Risa, mag-play ka Roblox.
Hell no. It's not from someone. I have go work so I'm not ngayon.
Toka-toka.
Hell no.
Ano yan? Poka-toka?
Poka world. Oh, toka.
Toka-poka world?
Toka.
O, play ka ng Poka-toka world.
Toka.
Mhm.
Toka.
Toka.
Poka
Toka.
world.
So, Teacher Risa is always in your room?
Yes.
Or minsan...
20 hours.
Oh, tagal naman 20 hours.